In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mario Kart 8 with two switches. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you and a friend have two distinct Nintendo Switch consoles where both of you own Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, you will be able to play using the local wireless play feature. So all that you have to do to set up a custom room for both of you to play together is to turn on both Nintendo Switch consoles and ensure they are within range of each other. So make sure that you aren't too far away. Now start Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on both consoles. Now, on one of the consoles, go over to the wireless play option. This is going to be a default mode available on the home screen of the game when you are browsing through all of the modes. So choose wireless play, and the console where you choose wireless play on will be the host. Choose between one or two players for the host console. Now create the room on the host console. Once this is done on the other console, go over to wireless play and you will find the option to join a room instead. In there will be a comprehensive list of rooms that you can join, and if you are in close proximity of each other, it should be the only room available. So go ahead and join the specific room made by the host, and once both consoles are in the same room, you can select your characters and start racing. Up to 8 players can participate in a single race using multiple switches, and you will be able to customize room settings like number of players, race type, and so on. Make sure that both consoles have a strong wireless connection for optimal gameplay, and this is all you have to do. You will be able to customize your card, choose your character, customize the tracks, and so on, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. Like I said, you can have up to 8 players on the same room, and it is a super convenient and fun way to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. You will not need a Nintendo Switch Online subscription or anything like that. You just need to make sure that either of you or everyone who is going to be playing has a copy of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on their Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mario Kart 8 with two switches. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.